I'm Saginaw Grant III. I've been a watchmaker for over 50 years. I've been to a lot of different corkscrew, and I've worked for most of the major factories.
Awesome.
It's got a smart movement. Yeah, that's a good movement. That's in it. And it's got a lithium battery, so the lithium battery will make it last longer. It's like putting a bigger gas tank in it compared to silver oxide. Silver oxide batteries are quite a bit smaller and not the size of a quarter like the lithium batteries are. So it's got a good crystal. Hard to scratch. Not impossible, but hard.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a nice watch.
What kind of price range do you think it might be?
I really wouldn't have an idea because I don't deal in too many smartwatches.
Oh, yeah.
I mainly deal in mechanicals and quartz watches that are quartz analog.
How about as far as it compares to like other nice analog watches that you've dealt with? Does it seem like on par with the?
Oh yeah.
Oh really? Oh good.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's a very nice watch.